Now, I would like to introduce our next team dialing in from Pakistan. You know what we say, to be a great founder, it's crucial to have a growth mindset. And this team, no doubt, is highly coachable. They're also very adaptable. As a matter of fact, their tech is able to predict sepsis 6 hours ahead of time with 90% accuracy. And when COVID-19 struck, they found a use case to apply their existing deep tech solution. And I'll let Shan do the rest of the talking. Hello, Shan.
Hey, thanks, Megan.
All right, you're all set to go.
Okay. Hey there. So this is Sean. About 3 years ago, my colleagues and I were working on healthcare automation projects where we discovered that the leading cause of death in hospitals and the second largest leading cause of death in the world are infections such as pneumonia, UTI, and surgical wounds, claiming 11 million lives each year. What's even more shocking is that half of those are children and pregnant women. But this does not stop here. This trend would claim 17 million more lives by 2030. So medical technologies have advanced so much in the past decades, but still, immunity drops, immune system backfires, and infection still spreads. This particular condition is called sepsis. And I am sure that you guys already know about the COVID-19 situation. Well, recent studies have shown COVID-19 infections can result in organ failure, meaning that some people develop kidney failure or shock rather than only respiratory failure, as previously thought. What this means is that COVID-19 eventually leads to sepsis, and our current health infrastructure is way overburdened, as we have witnessed in the US, UK, and Europe. So either hire new doctors and train them right, or we could come up with an intelligent solution, a faster one. But worry not, as we at XpertFlow have come up with a device. Meet NOSTRO, predicting sepsis before onset using computer vision and artificial intelligence, with a high accuracy of 90.3% and only 2 medical staff required instead of 8. And what's beautiful is that Nostro can look 6 hours into the future, meaning that doctors will have enough time to treat those patients. This puts Nostro at the forefront of medical technology, making it the future of healthcare. Now, Nostro works by acquiring high impact vitals and feeds it to its robust algorithm, which then predicts it in real time. Whether the patient has sepsis or not, Nostro is there to tell you that. Now, Nostro's dashboard is the representation of data where the red box indicates the severity of a person who's prone to sepsis. Also, it's highly customizable. It comes in 3 different variants for different applications, all based on our deep tech. In addition to that, Nostro provides 24/7 real-time remote monitoring, patient prioritization, and high customization. So what ends up happening after all of this? Well, after processing all of these vitals and automating repetitive processes, Nostro can save lives. Now, we see Nostro to be a fit for hospitals, insurance companies, and nursing homes. What else can it do? Well, currently, the cost of treating sepsis is a whopping $50 billion each year, and we're offering 30% cost reduction using our deep tech. And this is how we entered the market. We have validated our B2B segment by signing 3 MOUs worth $540,000 with hospitals having capacity of 1,800 beds. With the same hospitals, we are also in the process of piloting our product. And we have also come up with an intelligent wearable biosensor proof of concept that we plan to sell to consumers for self-monitoring of high impact vitals. Now, this will be helpful in profiling future diseases and pandemics like this one. Now, we're all set to launch our MVP this May, and we plan to secure 10 more MOUs worth $1.2 million with hospitals in Singapore and Pakistan by the end of this year. And we're also in contact with these hospitals to help them with this pandemic. And these are the partners that have been with us since the inception of this idea. And this team, comprised of highly talented individuals, having a combined 30 plus years of experience and 10 plus years of experience in the healthcare industry, as well as specializing in business development, strategic planning, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, is making all of this happen. We are also backed by an advisory board of highly qualified doctors who are assisting us through their decades of experience. In 5 years' time, we are expecting to generate $15 million in revenues by selling 1,400 Nostro licenses and 3,000 Enware subscription. So we're raising $800,000 to scale Nostro version 2.0, by allocating 55% of the funds to product development and R&D, while 30% of it on human capital, as AI and ML resources do not come cheap. So let's join hands to revolutionize healthcare. Let Nostro save lives. Thank you.